Greetings, fellow investors. Whether or not you've heard of the publication Utility Forecaster or Conrad's Utility Investor, this quick video is critical for anyone interested in learning how to pick low-risk, high-yield utility stocks with big growth potential. Let me start by telling you a little about my career in investment analysis and economic research. 26 years ago, in 1989, I started a newsletter called Utility Forecaster, focused on investing in dividend-paying stocks, particularly in essential services industries like electric utilities, water, and midstream energy. Over those nearly 3 decades, I ran the model portfolios in Utility Forecaster. During that period, I amassed an impressive record of performance and helped tens of thousands of investors generate steady, reliable income from their investment portfolios. Under my guidance, Utility Forecaster won the Specialized Information Publishers Association Award for Best Financial Advisory Newsletter a total of 2 times. In addition, the newsletter received 8 other awards and was recognized for Best Analytical Reporting in the investment advisory newsletter world. And when I stopped writing Utility Forecaster in 2013, the Holbert Financial Digest, the financial newsletter industry's only independent rating service, ranked Utility Forecaster first out of 108 monitored services in risk-adjusted returns over a 10-year holding period. Mark Holbert, editor of Holbert's Financial Digest and a senior editor at MarketWatch, described my long-term investment returns as, quote, stellar. And what makes me really proud is the countless letters I've received from Utility Forecaster subscribers over the years telling me how the service has changed their lives. One reader even wrote me to say that my advice helped her add a 7th digit to her investing account. I didn't make this video to boast or disparage changes in the Utility Forecaster newsletter since I left my former publisher to start my own service, Conrad's Utility Investor, in the spring of 2013. However, it has come to my attention that Utility Forecaster has once again switched to a new editor as of May 2015. My former publisher's efforts to emphasize continuity of strategy following my resignation in April 2013 led to a great deal of confusion among Utility Forecaster readers, and the recent change has only served to heighten that uncertainty. Many have asked whether I am still involved with the strategy and recommendations in Utility Forecaster. The answer is a resounding no. Since the May 2013 issue of Utility Forecaster, my last as editor, I have not been part of the service, nor have I had any substantive contact with the new editorial team. I left no instructions, no method or system for my successors at Utility Forecaster to follow. All recommendations made during my 25-year term as editor of Utility Forecaster, good and bad, were mine alone. My investing strategy utilizes quantitative models, but through the lens of 30 years of advising investors through bear and bull markets. And our portfolio returns with Conrad's Utility Investor speak for themselves. I started Conrad's Utility Investor in 2013 because I wanted complete control over how my recommendations are presented and, most importantly, marketed. The only place you can read my advice is in the pages of my new service, Conrad's Utility Investor. Want to ask more about my investing approach? Sign up for a risk-free trial today and join me for my next bi-monthly subscriber-only online chat. My chats are an opportunity for you to ask me any question you'd like about any stock I cover, about the economy, the stock market, my recommendations, and model portfolios. I've hosted chats lasting for as long as 7 hours, and I guarantee you I'll be online for as long as it takes to answer all of your questions. And all of this is available with absolutely no risk through a trial subscription to Conrad's Utility Investor. Look, all I'm asking is that you give Conrad's Utility Investor a fair chance, then decide. If my new service isn't for you, cancel in the first 30 days and I'll refund your entire subscription price, no questions asked. Thanks for tuning in. Here's to your wealth.